Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today we're going to show you a real-time walk from Disney's Beach Club Resort to the International Gateway entrance to Epcot. The Epcot Resort area is made up of 3 Disney-owned resorts: the Boardwalk, which you see across Crescent Lake to our right, the Beach Club, and its sister resort, the Yacht Club. Of these 3 resorts, the Beach Club is the closest to Epcot, although all 3 are within an easy walking distance. Our room on this particular stay was on the 3rd floor of the building you see here, and it was a corner king room offering 2 walls of windows and beautiful views of the resort grounds and Crescent Lake. If you'd like to see a tour of that room, we'll link ours in the description below, as well as in the upper right-hand corner. We'll also link our full resort tours of the Beach Club, the Boardwalk, and the Yacht Club, along with a room tour of the Yacht Club in the description below. The Epcot Resort area is my favorite area to stay in on site at Walt Disney World because of its easy access to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios via the walking path, the Friendship boats, or the Skyliner. The International Gateway entrance to Epcot is only accessible if you're coming from the Epcot area resorts or the Skyliner resorts such as the Riviera, Caribbean Beach, Pop Century, and Art of Animation. Since only guests coming from these resorts can access this entrance, it often has shorter lines even at busy times. It also allows you to enter the park between the France and UK pavilions, which is very convenient if you're hoping to rope drop Remy's Ratatouille adventure. In addition to its convenient location, the Beach Club has several other amenities, including a character meal on site, multiple pools including one of the best themed pools on Disney property, a health club, as well as on-site perks such as early park entry and the exclusive evening extended hours, which are only accessible to guests staying at Deluxe and Deluxe Villa on-site hotels. To get an idea of the crowd levels at evening extended hours, check out the video in the upper right-hand corner as well as in the description below from our experience during this event. Aside from its easy access to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, Beach Club also offers bus transportation to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, as well as Disney Springs and the Disney Water Parks. Guests wishing to walk to the Boardwalk or Hollywood Studios would make a right here and cross this bridge. To make our way to the International Gateway at Epcot, we're going to continue in this direction. Guests who choose to take the Friendship boats rather than walk to Epcot will be dropped off at the green awnings you see up ahead. Also, as we pass these trees, you'll see Epcot's France Pavilion ahead on our right and the Epcot Disney Skyliner station ahead on our left. I hope you've enjoyed this quick walk from Disney's Beach Club Resort to the Epcot International Gateway. For more helpful planning content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on your notifications so you never miss one of our videos. Also, if you'd like free assistance planning your vacation, I offer complimentary concierge-level planning services with every booking, and booking through me is the same price as booking directly on Disney's website. Visit Ginger MMT for more information or a free quote on your next adventure. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.